Don't miss out on Bluehost's biggest sale of the year. The Bluehost Black Friday deals are now officially live. It's time to score unbeatable savings on your Bluehost web hosting plan. You get up to 81% off Bluehost hosting, getting web hosting for as low as $1.99 a month, plus a free domain name. To take advantage of the Bluehost Black Friday deals, click the link in the description below to get your Bluehost Black Friday discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. You may not receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Bluehost Black Friday discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Bluehost web hosting page. Scroll down to the plans section on the page. You get the basic plan for $1.99 a month with a savings of 75% off. You get the Choice Plus plan for $265 a month with a savings of 81% off. You get the online store plan for $625 a month with a savings of 67% off. You get the Pro plan for $9.99 a month with a savings of 52% off. Once you choose the plan you like, you'll be able to pick out and register your free domain name on the next page. Bluehost also has Black Friday offers with its WooCommerce hosting plans. You get the online store plan for $625 a month with a savings of 67% off. This plan I covered on Bluehost's popular shared hosting plans earlier in the tutorial. You get the Online Store Plus Marketplace plan for $12.95 a month with a savings of 68% off. Enjoy your Bluehost Black Friday deal so you can save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase this Black Friday and Cyber Monday season. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.